is known as crops. In India, large number of people are engaged in this activity and it provides a large percentage of employment to different people. We are getting food, grains, fruits, vegetables, flowers from this. So now I will introduce one by one the participants which are acting as each process. First one is Suyash, who is acting as soil. Next is Khushi, who is seed. Next one is Anshul, who is manure. Next one is Bhavna, who is fertilizer. Sahil acting as a bacteria, which is Rhizobium leguminosarum. Next is Sonal, who is behaving as water. Next is Deepika, who is weed. Next is Kalpana, who is behaving as weedicide. Next is Harsh, who is behaving as crop. Next one is Arav, who is grain. Next one is Kanu, who is kharif crops. And the last but not the least is Zoya, who behave as rabi crops. So now I am starting.
Hi everyone, how are you? I am soil. Preparing me is the first step before growing any crop. This allows the roots to penetrate deep in the soil. But do you know why this allows the root to breathe easily? This is because loosened soil helps in the growth of microbes and earthworms present in me. The earthworms are friends of farmer since they further loosen the soil and improve the texture of the soil. The process of loosening the soil is known as tilling or plowing. Earlier, my friend farmer used plow to cultivate me, but nowadays they use several machines like the cultivator to cultivate me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am C. I am the reproductive part of a plant. First of all, my friend farmer uses me whether I am of good quality or bad quality, healthy or unhealthy. So to test me, he used to put me into the water. If I settle down at the bottom, then he uses me. But if I float, then I am of no use. After my selection, he used to sow me into the soil. In ancient times, I was sown in the soil with the help of a funnel attached to a bullock cart. But nowadays, seed drill is a machine that is used to sow me uniformly at proper depth and distance from other seeds. If I am not sown at a proper depth and distance from the other seeds, I can be overcrowded and can be affected by microbes. So it is essential to sow me at a proper depth and distance so that I will grow healthy. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am manure and I am fertilizer. We both are friends. But there are some dissimilarities among us. I am prepared at farmers' field and I am prepared at factories. I require a very large amount to the soil and I require a very little amount to the soil. I work very slow and I work very fast. I provide a lot of humus to the soil, but I don't provide humus to the soil. I am rich in plant minerals and I am rich in potassium, phosphorus and nitrogen. Thank you. Hello friends, I am bacteria. My name is Rhizobium. My function is very important for the plants. I live in the root nodules of the leguminous plants. My work is to fix the nitrogen from atmosphere to the soil, and the plants cannot do anything without me because they take the nutrients or proteins from that nitrogen fixed by me. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am water. I am very important for the survival of plants because of the pollen reason. I am important for the proper growth and development of seeds, fruits and flowers of the plant. I am absorbed by the roots of plants with minerals and fertilizers. I also protect the plants from frost and hot air currents. I dissolve the nutrients which are to be transferred to every part of the plant. I am essential for the process of germination. I am essential for process of photosynthesis to make the food of plants. My sources in earlier times were Dekli, Rahat, Jain system, etc. But nowadays my sources are drip irrigation, sprinkler system, etc.
Hello friends, I am weed.
And I am weedicide.
I am an unwanted plant which grow along with crop.
I kill the weed by the process of weeding as they prevent the growth of crop. Weeding can be done manually by pulling out the weed by hand or by using a trowel or a harrow.
I take sunlight minerals water from the soil.
I am prepared in factories.
I spread very fast.
The farmer put me into the sprayer and spray me in the field. I destroy the weed but do not affect the crop.
I have so many friends like Chenopodium, Amaranthus, wild or Congress grass.
I also have so many friends like 240, Delafin, Metaclan, etc.
My friend Chenopodium work in many purposes like vegetable.
My spraying may affect the health of farmer. They should be careful while spraying or using me. It is advised that they should cover their mouth and nose with cloth while spraying me.
Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Probe. Now I have become matured and ready to harvest. In ancient time, my friend farmer harvested me with the help of a sickle. But nowadays he uses a machine known as harvester. And you all say this process as harvesting. After this, my grain are separated from me. And you all say this process as threshing. And he do this with the help of a thresher. After this, my chaff is separated from my grains. And you all say this process as winnowing. And he do this with the help of a winnowing machine. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am green. I need to be stored somewhere, shouldn't I? But before that, the farmer dries me in the sunlight. Now the question arises, why does the farmer do so? He does this because if he will not do so, a certain number of bacteria and fungi will grow around with me. Due to improper storage, more than 10% of crop produce in India is spoiled. I am stored in big cylindrical gigantic tank called silos, and for this there should be proper ventilation and humidity to maintain me healthy.
Hello friends, I am Kharif crop.
Hello friends, I am Rabi crop
I grown in rainy season.
and I am grown in winter season.
And you know that rainy season in India is from June to September.
And winter season in India is from October to March.
I require more temperature to grow.
But I require low temperature to grow.
I require large amount of water in irrigation.
But I require less amount of water in irrigation.
I harvested in the month of September or in October.
And I am harvested in the month of March or in April.
And my friends are maize, soybean, cotton, etc.
And my friends are wheat, gram, pea and mustard.
Thank you.
So students, today we have saw that the food which we are eating today has to pass through so many processes, and also it takes a lot of time and hard work as well.